Hello everyone, I'd like to show you how we can go back and start working on the next project within Dreamweaver Apply. So we're looking at Apply1-1 and Apply. So again, it says right now, again, we need to be creating a folder inside the main folder. Hopefully you've already done that. And then at this point, all we have to do is tell Dreamweaver that we are making a new site. So in the book, you're back on page 66 and 67. You'll be right here. It will show like a preview what it's going to look like, and it'll take you through the steps over here. So more importantly, again, you're going to be wanting to look here. I'm going to basically take you through down to step number 3, and then let you go from there with this. So when we're all done, what's it going to look like? It's going to basically be a numbered list, an ordered list. That's all we're making. So again, sounds simple, but again, a couple steps we want to make sure we get this right. So now back in Dreamweaver, what we have to do is we have to tell Dreamweaver we want to make a new site. So currently, as you can see, I still have my index opened up from plan. Close out of it. Again, mistake number 1 that people make. They're not closing out of things, and they're not keeping just one site open at one time. Sometimes they get like a site or a page open from site 1, and they have another page open from site 2, and things get mangled up. So again, we want to make sure you keep things organized. So now we have to do the same thing as we did for plan. Go back to quick start, scroll down, site setup. So I tell you in my directions back within Schoology here that the site setup is going to be apply. So again, we have to do the same thing. So back in Dreamweaver, we're going to call this apply. Now, again, big area for mistake. People get pointing in the wrong folder. So make sure you're back at your Lucas G, go to your apply folder and hit select and hit save. So now all of a sudden over here it says apply. If I hit my drop down menu, I have apply and plan. This will be important. You'll have to show this to me in your video. So now what do we do from here? We are creating a new document. Okay, so again, one thing we can do back underneath quick start, we can choose HTML document. It creates a page here. So basically at this point, all we have to do is pick this up at step number 3. We're going to save this as Apply1. Again, make sure you watch the naming process on this. So back at the steps, it will go back and say save as. Notice because we were already locked into apply, we should be in the apply folder here, but it is your responsibility to check this out to make sure you're in the right folder. So I'm going to call this Apply1. I'm not even adding the HTML on. It should be done automatically for me. Hit save. Again, notice how it adds that in. Now you have to go back and start setting this up at step number 4. You can do the title name right down here, and eventually you'll get everything done. So now when you're done, what you have to do is you have to show me your apply folder here when you do your video. So you have to show this to me, apply and plan. Okay, you open up the apply folder. You'll show me the end result. And again, you can preview within your browser. It will look like this. Again, that's the end result on your video that you showed me. So very simple. You have a headline here. You've got a numbered list. You got your name down below here. You're doing probably paragraphs or breaks along the way to get this to look in this manner. So again, this is what I'm looking for in your video. Let me know if you have questions.